Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos on Samsung Galaxy A15. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Gallery application. This is the place where all your photos and videos are stored, and also where you can access deleted items temporarily. Step 2. Now, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or the word menu. Tap on it. Step 3. In the menu, scroll down or look for the option labeled Trash or Recycle Bin. Depending on your phone model, the wording might be slightly different. Tap on Trash to open it. Step 4. Here, you'll see all the recently deleted photos and videos. Samsung stores deleted items in the trash for up to 30 days before they're permanently erased. Step 5. To recover a single photo, tap on the Select option at the top of the screen. Then tap the photo you want to recover and press the Restore button. That image will automatically be restored to your gallery. Step 5. For the last and most important step, if you want to recover all deleted photos at once, just tap Select, then choose All at the top left. Once everything is selected, tap on the Restore All button at the bottom. All the selected photos and videos will be moved back to your gallery. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.